You're not going to believe what's going on in New York City right now. They had the biggest snowstorm in the last 3 years, and I used to live in this shit. Watch. Now, I live in the Caribbean, in a paradise. Why don't you come here? Check out where I live now.
My home, this is where I was born.
You want information on how to live in paradise on the beach in the Caribbean, where it's 12 months of summer, contact me here right now or anywhere on this video in the description or bio. I will help you live here for free. I live here for free. You don't believe me? Contact me right now.